Now I'm going to go through a problem that some users experience in Excel where they receive an error message when they try to insert or hide rows or delete rows or columns. And it's an error message such as cannot shift objects off sheet. So if I go and select my column and I go to delete it, I get this message saying can't push objects off the sheet. Now, before I get into this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos and content. So, as you can see, we've got this error on screen saying can't push objects off the sheet. Now, I'm just going to click OK. But what's funny is I can move the column widths, I can extend them, but now, oh, look at this, I can't make it any smaller. I get this can't push objects off sheet even more now, which is frustrating. Now, to troubleshoot this, we're going to start off by recreating the error. So here you go, we've got the pop-up back up. Now we're going to do Control-Shift-I, and we're going to get this little unique number appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. And as you see, it says 100185. Now, if you get anything else in this, then this is sadly not going to help. But if you do have that 100185, then let's carry on. Now, this error message can occur when certain things happen, such as the option of nothing is selected in the display options for this workbook. You create an object, or there's a comment within a cell, in any cell within a column. You might have hidden a column to the left and that contains an object. There's various little things that could cause this. Now, to resolve this, there are a few ways that you can do this. So the first one is to temporarily toggle the option from nothing hide objects to all. So to do this, we're just going to click OK to come out of this, and we're going to go to File, and we're going to click Options, which brings up this Excel Options window. Now, if we go on the left-hand side to Advanced, we can then see we've got some more options in here. Now, if we scroll down to Display, the item we're looking for is For Objects Show. Now, on more modern versions of Excel, this is unfortunately not available. If you're using Excel 2007, this method will work for you. Now, the next method we're going to try is changing the position properties of the object to move in size with cells. Now, this method can work in earlier versions of Excel, such as Excel 2003, Excel 2000. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to click on Cancel to pop out of this. As you see, we still can't get rid of this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look for comments, and we're going to make them visible for us. So I'm going to click on comments here, and as you see, we have a comment. Now what we're going to do is we're going to right click on that and click delete and remove that comment. And now let's give it a try, and we can see the column now resizes. We can even delete the column, and now it has disappeared. Now, obviously, the comments item is a more modern feature of Excel. So I'm just going to do Control-Z to go back, all the way to the point where we have this comment still in that cell. So we're going to right click on this, and as you can see, we've got the option to reply or delete the comment. But what we're going to do is we're going to go to review and we're going to click on show comments. Now this is how you can also do it, and you can remove the comment that way as well. Obviously in modern Excel it opens up the right hand side pane.